Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to another Make and Take craft from the Covina Public Library. For September, we're making Perfect Parrot Pals. So if you want to learn how to make one, stay tuned and I'll show you how.
Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make this Perfect Parrot Pal. So what you're going to need is a paper roll, a glue stick, some construction paper, and pipe cleaners. And then I'll show you what to do along the way. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to glue your construction paper and make sure it wraps around your paper roll. And so you can use different colors than the ones I'm using, but it is good to have a variety of colors for your parrot. So the first color I used was red, and then I just glued it around my paper roll. The next thing I'm going to want to do is to make sure I have another color construction paper that'll fit around the paper roll. So what I'm doing here is I'm measuring it and seeing what would be a good size, and then I'm going to cut the paper to fit around the paper roll. And then you just repeat the process. Once you have a size that fits well, you're going to go ahead and grab your glue stick and then just glue it around your paper roll. Once you glue it, it should look like this. The excess piece, you can either cut it off or fold it in, whatever works best for you. The next thing is you're going to want a third color of construction paper so we can draw the torso or the belly, the chest of the parrot. So you're going to want to draw a U shape like this, and then cut it out and glue it onto the parrot's body. So I thought yellow would look good, so I used yellow here. The next thing is, what you can do is we're going to draw the beak. So you can see the shape that I drew here. It's okay if it takes a couple of tries. You just want to draw a beak that you like. So it's kind of you draw a straight line with the triangle point at the top. So as you can see, I drew a couple sizes and wanted to see which one would look the best for my parrot. And then repeat the process. Now once you have the sides, you're going to want to bend it like this and then glue it, but make sure that the pointy end points out so it has a nice strong beak. And then I wanted circular eyes, so I went ahead and used the lid of my glue stick to get a circle. You don't have to draw circular eyes. If you have googly eyes, you can add googly eyes, those will work too. Whatever you think would work best for your parrot. Remember to get creative. But we'll come back to that later. So what you're going to need is a pin, and we're going to want to start attaching some feathers. But to make sure that the feathers will stick to the bird, we got to have some holes. So you're going to want to poke one hole on one side of the paper roll and then repeat it and poke the hole on the other side as well. And then go ahead and grab your pipe cleaner and then run it through the first hole. And then have it loop around and run through the second hole. See, just like this. So it creates a loop for you to put your wrist in, but then you're going to want to cut the pipe cleaner down the middle. This will help so you'll be able to tie it around your wrist. Okay, now go ahead and grab your pin again and then make 2 more holes above where the pipe cleaner is. So 1 hole above each of the pipe cleaner. this is where you're gonna attach the feathers, and then you're gonna wanna make 2 more holes along the back side. So one there, and then one above it right there. So you should be making a total of 4 holes after you've already attached the pipe cleaners. And then go ahead and grab your feathers and stick them in. And you can grab one final feather after you've attached all the ones in the holes, and you can put some glue on the inside of the paper roll so it has a nice feather head at the top. So I went ahead and glued it, and that's how it turned out. But remember those googly eyes or those eyes you drew yourself? So you can go ahead and now begin to add those onto your parrot. So for these I decided to draw them. I thought the nice big green eyes would look great on this parrot. And let's see. And this is my perfect parrot pal. Pretty neat. Hopefully yours turns out good. Let's see how he looks in the library.
Thank you so much for tuning in to another Make and Take Craft from the Covina Public Library. I hope you were able to make your own perfect parrot pal. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for crafting with Chris.